Today we are going to observe the magnetic field lines due to a bar magnet. For this we need a bar magnet, a white sheet of paper and some iron filings. For observing the magnetic field lines, we have to place the magnet in this way and we have to put a white sheet of paper above this bar magnet and we have to sprinkle some iron filings above this white sheet. And now we can observe the magnetic field lines due to this bar magnet. And you can also observe the magnetic field lines are closer at the pole and they are not closer inside the magnet and around the magnet. We can also observe here that the magnetic field lines which are emerging from the north pole and going inward at the south pole.